how to set up lines and grids in Notes on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the lines and grids in Notes on iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on the option labeled as Apps. Now here in the app section, simply scroll down until you see the option labeled as Notes. So here, once you have located it, just tap on it. Now here inside the note settings, simply scroll down to the viewing section and there you will find the option called lines and grids. So just tap on that, and now here is the fun part. You'll see different styles you can apply to your notes like simple line, small or large square, grid line combos. So just tap on the style that you like the best, and once you tap on it, it will be automatically set as the default background for all new notes going forward. And that's it. That's how you can set up lines and grids in Notes on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.